This 50-watt LED grow light can replace traditional 150-watt HPS CMH while consuming only 145 to 155 watts. But maximize the use of light energy by COB technology. Our experimentals prove that this COB LED grow light increase yield 45 to 65%, saving 50% energy consumption. Highest performance price ration, save your money. IP67 waterproof, dustproof. Safe use even in rain. The length of this full-spectrum COB LED grow light with seal ring and waterproof and dustproof. It fits for indoor and outdoor lighting, providing more useful light to help plants grow faster, especially when the plants need extra light in raining days and snowing days. Don't worry about damage caused by water entering the waterproof COB LED grow light. Optimal 380 to 800 nanometer full spectrum. This LED grow light with optional full spectrum 380 to 800 nanometers, which provides plants wedge and flower all stages with everything they desire in the natural sunlight, especially red 630 to 660 nanometers. Promote flowering and fruiting and increase yield directly. Blue 440 to 460 nanometers. Promote germination and photosynthesis. IR 780 to 800 nanometers. Promoting plant cell growth. UV 380 nanometers. Help plants keep healthy growing. Intelligent cooling technology. Best CE, FCC, and ROS certification. This full-spectrum LED grow light has built-in temperature IC, intelligent control of heat dissipation IC inside, integral radiating case with heat dissipation coating, make the light cooling very well. Ensure temperature less than 65 degrees Celsius, extending the lifespan of the COB LED grow light. Without any fan and driver working, making the waterproof grow light without any noise. Enjoy quiet growing time.